Hey guys, PJ here with CLK Supplies, and we're going to do something different and fun today, and we're going to do a little bit of a key machine battle. A question we're always asked when duplicating high security keys is, what machine is right for me? A manual machine like this Silca Swift, or an automatic machine like the Futura Auto? So in this video is what I'm going to do here is I have a couple guests with me. I have Tanner. Tanner, thanks for coming on. How long have you been a locksmith for?
I've been a locksmith for about 19 years.
19 years, awesome. And this is Brian. Brian, how long have you been a locksmith for?
Since 2000.
19 years also.
Yeah.
Or I guess 20 years now, huh?
Pretty much.
Awesome.
Happy New Year.
What's that?
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, yep. So is what we want to do here in this video is they're each going to be cutting the same Honda key, or I should say duplicating the same Honda key. And I just want you to watch the differences between them, right? The amount of effort required, the amount of skill required, and really how long it takes to cut a key. So I'm going to come over by the camera here, and Tanner, Brian, if you guys want to go ahead and start cutting. All right, so that's the difference between cutting manually and cutting with an automatic machine. As you can see, the amount of attention required by cutting manually compared to cutting automatically is quite a bit different. Although Brian finished a little sooner, you could see that the cutting time is about the same. So I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Brian, Tanner, thanks for coming on here.
You're welcome.
And we'll see you next time.